Dumating na ngayong araw si US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth sa Malacanang upang palakasin pa ang alyansa ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos. Bukod dito, hatid din ni Hegseth ang isang mensahe mula kay US President Donald Trump. Kung ano ito, alamin natin sa pagbabalik sa kwentuhan ni Yeda Rudil.
Idiniin ni United States Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth sa kanyang courtesy call sa Malacanang ang kahalagahan ng pagtigil ng karahasan sa mundo, partikular umano sa Indo-Pacific region kung saan humaharap sa banta ng China ang Pilipinas. Sa kanilang pag-uusap ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos nitong Biyernes, ibinahagi ni Hegseth na narito siya sa Manila para makipagpulong kasama si Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro ng mas mapaigting ang alyansa ng Pilipinas at Amerika.
Because as we've talked about, peace through strength is a very real thing. Deterrence is necessary around the world, but specifically in this region, in your country, considering the threats from the Communist Chinese, and that friends need to stand shoulder to shoulder to deter conflict, to ensure that there's free navigation. Whether you call it the South China Sea or the West Philippine Sea, we recognize that your country has stand very firm in that location and in defense of your nation. So,
Ipinadaan din kay Hegseth ang umano'y mensahe ni US President Donald Trump para sa Pangulo. Desidido rin umano si Trump na panatilihin ang magandang samahan ng dalawang bansa.
I had a chance to speak just a few minutes ago to our president, President Trump, who sends his regards to you as well. Thinks very fondly of this great country, is very committed to the alliance that we have, to the friendship that we have, the cooperation that we have. And he and I both want to express the ironclad commitment we have to the Mutual Defense Treaty and to the partnership, economically, militarily, which our staffs have worked on diligently for weeks and weeks and months. There is a very real reason why our first trip and our first visit is here to visit you. In your great country.
Naniniwala naman si Pangulong Marcos Jr. na magiging productive ang pananatili ni Hegseth sa bansa. Siniguro niya rin ang US Defense Secretary na magiging isang kaibigan ng Estados Unidos ang Pilipinas at binigyang diin ang higit 100 taong relasyon ng dalawang nasyon.
You are our only treaty, our only treaty partner and continue to be the supporter for peace in this part of the world, and we have always understood the principle that the greatest force for peace in this part of the world would be the United States.
Ako si Yeda Rudil para sa Kwentong Politiko.